The off season is the time to take a step back, evaluate what you did, and figure out what you need to progress forward. So I've done a deep dive in what I need to be better for next season. Have you? An off season can be either a welcome thing in your life as an athlete, or it can be a very daunting thing. I know for me, I love to race. I love to work towards a goal and try and get better than I was the last time I raced. If you're like me, you need to assess what's going on, what worked well this season, and how you can improve for your next season. I'll walk you through what I'm going to be doing in this off season to make me a better athlete moving forward. This year, I found out that my body has changed and my bike fit did not fit as perfectly as it did in the past. This is crucial because you hear it all the time, go get a bike fit, go get a bike fit, go get a bike fit. Sometimes people just have one bike fit and then think that's for them for the rest of their life. Sadly, things change, injuries happen, and you need to adjust to the position on your bike so you get comfortable and are able to hold that position for the entire race. So one thing that I'm going to be doing is getting my bike fit checked out, seeing if my bike is fit to me, and if I need to adjust, whether get a smaller bike or a bigger bike, to make my body feel comfortable on the bike, produce the power that I wanted to do, and race fast. The second thing that I'm going to work on in this off season is more strength training. I found that as I got closer to any kind of racing, that I dialed down the strength training so that I wasn't as sore. This helped me run a little bit faster or bike a little bit faster because I wasn't as sore. But when you dial it down, you don't generate as much force. Strength training helps recruit muscle fibers. And the more muscle fibers you recruit, the faster or stronger you can push on the bike or run. So I'll be putting together a dedicated strength training session for me through the off season on a routine schedule so that I can reach my goals next year. If you're interested in some of the strength training videos, I'll put them up here in a card that you can click on and watch later. I'll also add it in the description below so you can check it out after this video. The third thing that I'm going to work on is speed and running. Typically, speed improvements are from generating more force, improving your endurance, and doing more speed workouts. To accomplish all of these, you're going to need the right range of motion in order to perform at each of these skills, swimming, biking, and running. You're also going to need the strength and the endurance of the muscles to help produce that power at whatever distance that you're trying to work at. You're also going to need to recover as much as possible so that you can absorb your training and not have any overuse or overtraining injuries. I am fortunate enough to be a physical therapist, and I've learned a lot about injuries. I've been able to help athletes improve their overall flexibility and strength so that they can do the things that they love. Now it's time for me to take my own advice. If you find that you need some education on range of motion and strengthening exercises, then here's a video for you where I go over it for runners. I'm also going to spend some time and write down a plan. I do really well when I write things down and follow through with them. I do this after every single race and every single off season. I'm always constantly evaluating what I need to improve and what my athletes need to be faster. I have some big news to share with you in an upcoming video. So like this video so it can reach other people so that they can plan for their off season. These are my things I'm working on. What are you working on? Comment it below. I'll see you in the next video.